morning students. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 5 coordination chemistry is this lesson. This video include some important terms involved in the coordination chemistry. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. First one, coordination entity. Coordination entity is an ion or a neutral molecule composed of a central atom, usually a metal, and the array of other atoms or group of atoms like ligand that are attached to it. In the formula, the coordination entity is enclosed in the square bracket. Example, K4FeCN6. This is one of the example for coordination compound. In this complex, FeCN6 4 minus is a coordination entity. Coordination entity is an ion or neutral molecule composed of a central atom. It is called as a coordination entity. Example, K4FeCN6. This is one of the example for coordination compounds. In this compound, FeCN6 4 minus ion is a coordination entity. That means coordination entity include a central atom and ligand. These two are enclosed within the square bracket is called as a coordination entity. Coordination entity is an ion or neutral molecule composed of a central atom. It is called as a coordination entity. In the formula, the coordination entity is enclosed in the square bracket. Next one is a central atom or central metal ion. Central metal atom or central metal ion. The central atom or ion is the one that occupies the central position in a coordination covalent bond. In the coordination compounds, central position of the metal atom is called as a central metal atom or central metal ion. The central metal ion has an ability to accept electron pair. It is referred to as a Lewis acid. Lewis acid is a electron acceptor. Define Lewis acid. Lewis acid is a electron acceptor is called as a Lewis acid. Example, K4FeCN6. This is one of the example for coordination compound. In this compound, Fe2 plus act as a central metal ion. In this complex, Fe2 plus ion act as a central metal ion. Next one is a ligand. What is ligand? The ligands are the atom or group of atom bound to the central metal atom or ion is called as a ligand. Ligand has a excess of lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron donate to central metal atom to form a coordination bond between the ligand and central metal atom. The atom in a ligand that is bound directly to the central metal atom is known as a donor atom. Example, K4FeCN6. This is one of the example for coordination compound. Fe is a central metal atom. Cn minus is a ligand. Cn minus ion act as a Lewis base. This Lewis base donate the electron to central metal atom to form a bond between the central metal atom and the ligand. Example, in this complex, Cn minus ion act as a ligand. Next one is a type of ligand. Ligand classified into two types, monodentate ligand and polydentate ligand. If the ligand form a bond with the central metal atom, only one bond is formed. That type of ligand is called as a monodentate ligand. To form a coordination bond with the central metal atom, more than one bond is formed. That type of ligand is called as a polydentate ligand. Similarly, polydentate ligand classified into further 2-dentate ligand and 3-dentate ligand and 4-dentate ligand. In 2-dentate ligand, one ligand, two bond is formed with the central metal atom. 3-dentate ligand, one ligand form a bond with 3 bond with the central metal atom. 4-dentate ligand, one ligand form a 4 bond with the central metal atom. This is a ligand. Ligands are the atom or group of atom bound to the central metal atom or ion is called as a ligand. Example எடுத்துக்கோங்க, K4FeCN6. இது ஒரு coordination compoundsக்கு ஒரு example. இதில் Cn minus act as a ligand because this Cn minus ion donates its electron to the central metal atom to form a bond. Ligand is classified into monodentate ligand and polydentate ligand. அதாவது ஒரு ligand சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டத்து கூட எத்தனை பிணைப்பை பாண்டை ஏற்படுத்துதுங்கிறத பொறுத்து லிகாண்டை மோனோடென்டேட் அண்டு பாலிடென்டேட் லிகான்னு வகைப்படுத்தலாம், கிளாசிஃபைட் பண்ணலாம். மோனோடென்டேட் லிகான்னா ஒரு லிகான் சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டத்து கூட ஒரே ஒரு பாண்டை ஏற்படுத்தும். பாலிடென்டேட் லிகான் சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டத்துடன் more than one bond is formed. This type of ligand is called as a polydentate ligand. இதை ஒரு முனை பலமுனை இனின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு முனை இனி ஒரு பிணைப்பை ஏற்படுத்தும், பலமுனை இனி ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்ட பிணைப்புகளை ஏற்படுத்தும். இந்த பாலிடென்டேட் லிகாண்டை மீண்டும் கிளாசிஃபைட் பண்ணலாம். இருமுனை இனி 2 டென்டேட் லிகான், மும்முனை இனி 3 டென்டேட் லிகான், 4 டென்டேட் லிகான், 4 முனை இனி. 2 டென்டேட் லிகான்னா 2 பிணைப்பை, ஒரு இனி மைய உலோக அயனியுடன் 2 பிணைப்பை ஏற்படுத்தும். 3 டென்டேட் லிகான்னா ஒரு இனி மைய உலோக அயனியுடன் 3 பிணைப்பை ஏற்படுத்தும். 4 டென்டேட் லிகான்னா மைய உலோக அயனியுடன் 4 பிணைப்பை ஏற்படுத்தும். லிகான்ஸ். The ligands are the atom or group of atom bound to the central metal atom or ion is called as a ligands. Next one is a coordination sphere. The complex ion of the coordination compound containing the central metal atom or ion and the ligand attached to it. It is collectively called as a coordination sphere. Coordination sphere include the central metal atom and ligand. These two are enclosed within the square bracket is called as a coordination sphere. The complex ion of the coordination compound containing the central metal atom or ion and the ligand attached to it, it is collectively called as a coordination sphere. Coordination spheres are usually enclosed in the square bracket with the net charge. Example, the other ionizable ions written outside of the brackets are called as a counter ion. Example, K4FeCN6. K4 is a counter ion. That outside of the box is called as a counter ion. Within the bracket is called as a coordination sphere. In this complex, K4 is a, K is a counter ion. FeCN6 4 minus is a coordination sphere. FeCN6 4 minus is a coordination sphere. FeCN6 4 minus is a coordination sphere. 4K is a counter ion. Counter ion is a K plus. Next one is a coordination polyhedron. The three-dimensional spatial arrangement of the ligand or ion that are directly attached to the central atom is known as a coordination polyhedron. Example, K4FeCN6. Next one is a NiCO4. This is a 2 example for coordination polyhedron. Next one is a coordination sphere. The number of ligand donor atom bonded to the central metal ion in an complex is called as a coordination number of the metal. Other definition, number of bond between the central metal atom and ligand is called as a coordination number. Number of bond between the central metal atom and ligand is called as a coordination number. In other words, the coordination number is equal to the number of sigma bond between the ligand and the central metal atom is called as a coordination number. Example, K4FeCN6. In this complex, coordination number is 6 because 6 Cn minus attached to Fe. That means bond between this cyanido and Fe is a 6. So, coordination number of this complex is 6. In this example, NiCO4. In this complex, coordination number equal to 4 because number of bond between the ligand and central metal atom equal to 4. So, coordination number of this complex is equal to 4. Next one example, coordination number of this complex also 6 because En, ethylene diamine, is a bidentate ligand. That means 1 En form a 2 bond. So, 3 En is present, so 2 into 3 equal to 6. So, Ni in this complex central metal atom, coordination number of central metal atom equal to 6. En is a bidentate ligand. Coordination number க்கு எடுத்துக்காட்டு பாருங்க, K4FeCN6. இந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸில் சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டத்தோட கோஆர்டினேஷன் நம்பர் 6 பிகாஸ் சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டத்துக்கும் லிகாண்டுக்கும் இடையில் 6 பாண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ கோஆர்டினேஷன் நம்பர் ஆஃப் திஸ் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஆல்சோ 6. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் NiEN3Cl twice. This is a bidentate ligand. அதாவது இது ஒரு இருமுனை ஈனி, பைடென்டேட் லிகான். ஸோ ஒரு லிகான் 2 பிணைப்புகளை ஏற்படுத்தும். 3 இருமுனை ஈனி இருக்குது, அப்போ 3 × 2 = 6. ஸோ இன் திஸ் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் கோஆர்டினேஷன் நம்பர் ஆஃப் நிக்கல் = 6. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் the oxidation state of the central metal atom. oxidation state of the central metal atom in a coordination entity is defined as the charge bearer if all the ligand were removed along with the electron pair that were shared with the central metal atom is called as a oxidation state. Example, FeCN6 4-. In this complex, oxidation state of central metal atom ion equal to +2. The net charge on the complex ion is equal to the sum of the oxidation state of the central metal and the charge of the ligand attached to it. That means net charge equal to oxidation state of the central metal atom plus number of ligand into charge on the ligand. This formula gives the oxidation state of the central metal atom. Example, NiCO4. In this complex, central metal atom ion equal to nickel, coordination number equal to 4, oxidation state of the central metal atom equal to 0, coordination entity equal to NiCO4. This is very important question. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கனாக்கா ஒரு கோஆர்டினேஷன் காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அதில் சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டம் எழுதுங்க, லிகாண்ட் எழுதுங்க, கோஆர்டினேஷன் நம்பர் எழுதுங்க, ஆக்சிடேஷன் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் தி சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டம் ஆர் அயான் எழுதுங்க, கோஆர்டினேஷன் என்டிட்டி எழுதுங்கன்னு சொல்லி கொஸ்டினில் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. இன் திஸ் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் சென்ட்ரல் மெட்டல் ஆட்டம் ஈக்குவல் டு நிக்கல், கோஆர்டினேஷன் நம்பர் ஈக்குவல் டு 4, oxidation state of the central metal atom equal to 0, coordination entity equal to NiCO4. Geometry of this complex equal to tetrahedral. Next one, K4FeCN6, central metal atom or ion in this complex equal to Fe2 plus, ligand equal to Cn minus cyanido, coordination number equal to 6, oxidation state of the central metal atom equal to Fe2 plus, that means +2, coordination entity equal to FeCN6 4-. Geometry equal to octahedral. If coordination number equal to 6, geometry of this complex equal to octahedral. Central metal atom Fe2 plus, ligand Cn minus, coordination number 6, oxidation state +2, coordination entity FeCN6 4-, geometry octahedral. Next one example, AgNH3 twice plus. In this complex, central metal atom equal to Ag plus, ligand equal to NH3, coordination number equal to 2, oxidation state of the central metal atom equal to +1, coordination entity equal to AgNH3 twice plus, geometry equal to linear structure. Next one, classification of complex. Complex classified into 3 types: cationic complex and anionic complex and neutral complex. In complex, which charge is left on the coordination sphere? Based on this, complex is classified into 3 types: cationic complex, anionic complex and neutral complex. Cationic complex, complex ion carries a negative, complex ion carries a net positive charge is called as a cationic complex. Example, Ag NH3 twice plus. Next one, anionic complex, complex ion carries a net negative charge is called as a anionic complex. Neutral complex, complex ion carries a no charge is called as a neutral complex. Example for anionic complex is a AgCN twice minus, neutral complex is a NiCO4. Complex classification, என்ன சார்ஜ் இருக்குது அந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் அயான் மீது எந்த சார்ஜ் இருக்குங்கிறத பொறுத்து கேட்டயானிக் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ், ஆனியானிக் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ், நியூட்ரல் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்னு பிரிக்கலாம். காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் அயான் கேரிஸ் நெட் பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் இஸ் கால்ட் as a cationic complex, net negative charge is called as a anionic complex, no charge is called as a neutral complex. Next one, another classification, complex classified into homoleptic complex. Next one is a heteroleptic complex. Homoleptic complex, the central metal atom or ion coordinated to only one kind of ligand is called as a homoleptic complex. Example, CONH3 6 3+. In this complex, only one type of, that means 6 ammonia attached to cobalt. So this type of complex is called as a homoleptic complex. Next one is a heteroleptic complex. The central metal ion or atom is coordinated to more than one kind of ligand is called as a heteroleptic complex. Example for heteroleptic complex is a CONH35 Cl2+. In this complex, 2 type of ligand is attached to central metal atom. One type is a ammonia, another one is a chlorido. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.